Welcome to Baz Travels.
If you value these 8K immersive tours, please subscribe and like the video. It only takes a few seconds. Your support is the only way I can keep this channel going and continue bringing you these high quality experiences. Thank you for being here.
Stepping across from the Chamber of Commerce, you enter one of the most geographically unique sections of Savannah. This elevated parkland nestled between the city streets and the river below is home to the Old City Exchange Bell. Cast in 1802, this bell is the oldest in the city and once served as an official timepiece and alarm for the citizens. It signaled the start of the busy day and warned of fires in an era when the city was built largely of timber. Today it sits in quiet retirement, a bronze relic of a time when the pulse of the city was measured by the strike of a hammer. This area introduces you to the fascinating world of Factor's Walk. Because Savannah is built on a high sandy bluff, architects had to create a way for merchants to access the multiple levels of the riverside warehouses. The result is a series of upper and lower walks, connected by a maze of iron bridges, narrow alleys, and steep stone stairs. It is a vertical landscape that feels more like an old European city than a typical American grid. Walking along the top of the bluff, you're literally walking over the heads of the people on River Street, moving through that canopy of live oak that framed the industrial beauty of the river. As you follow the path through the parklands, you reach the Lovelock Bridge. This iron structure has become a modern tradition in an ancient city, a place where people from all over the world leave a physical mark of their connection to one another. Like similar bridges in Paris or Prague, the locks are a colourful, clinking testament to the enduring power of human emotion. It is a striking contrast, the heavy, immovable history of the stone bluff beneath you, and the delicate personal promises of the thousands who have passed through this park. This section of the bluff is where Savannah feels most like a forest city. The greenery buffers the noise of the modern traffic, creating a pocket of tranquility that overlooks the bustling port. It is a place of transit, a bridge between the high-stake world of the city government and the rugged, salt-stained life of the waterfront. To walk these bridges is to understand the layers of Savannah, where every level of the city tells a different story of how we connect to the land and to each other.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.